Welcome to J&J's test video for S5HU218. This is a 2005 Hummer H2, 167,000 miles. She has seen some stuff. Every panel's bondoed or this, that, or the other, or rusted. It's got a different muffler or different rear bumper, MagnaFlow mufflers, some aftermarket wheels, but it's alright. It's just a running, driving H2. Take her around the block, see what we got. Now we'll test some stuff first. Driver mirror works. The fold function works. I think the module's messed up because they both do the exact same little dance. Going out, but going in, they do that little doo-doo. And then they stop. So, let's see there. Heater controls, lit up aftermarket one. Stereo works. Alright. Take her for a drive. Battery box off there before it runs over. Man, this thing is up in the air. Alright, we're going to shut the hood. Yeah, this truck was good from far, but far from good. Don't have much in the way of brakes. But it runs and drives. Doesn't stop dinging, does it? Not a lot of stopping power. Everything else seems to work okay. Shifting. Dang, holy cow. Service airbag, no brakes. Wonder what could go wrong. Alright, let's get this dinging bonanza over with. Alright, I'll show you the miles on this thing. 167,366. Alright, and as always, thank you for watching S5HU218. And have your pets spayed and neutered. Thank you.